Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is a general reading for Sagittarius. This reading is of August month and it includes all the weeks of August. So let's see what cards have to say. Alright, Sagittarius. So this is your energy this week, that is the Temperance reversed. This is showing me that it is getting difficult for you to balance some important areas of your life, and maybe you are just overthinking about certain stuff. You are uh, you know you are getting these intuitions, but these intuitions are it's not always it is not always that your intuitions are going to be correct. So this could be the situation with you for this month. Seeing your first week of August, it is the 3 of cups, Knight of Cups reversed, and 4 of cups. So it is all related to your emotions, I guess. There is something that you started. It could be with people, it could be some kind of happy moment, it could be a collaboration. Maybe you were involved, it was a teamwork, it could be a collaboration. You were collaborating with people to do something, but unfortunately that collaboration did not work out, or it might not work out. And because of that, there was a little bit of instability in your life, and you were feeling very sad and lonely because you trusted those people whom you were working with. So, and it, because it did not work out, so you felt that you have lost stuff from your life, you don't have anything in your life now. And even if like something good, but don't miss out the opportunity, because don't just feel that you are sad and upset and alone, because there is going to be a good opportunity in that week. So you have to be little vigilant, because you are going to get a surprise, you might get a gift. So you have to be little keep your eyes and ears open to grab this opportunity. So before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. Alright, so this is your second week. The cards here are Queen of Wands, 7 of Cups reversed, and 6 of Pentacles. So here, definitely it is going to be a very, very good start. You are going to get your whatever you have lost, or whatever was in your mind, that you had to do this work in a collaboration with this team or whatever it was. So this time in the second week, you will get the feeling that you can handle such things independently, and you have the resources, you have the skills to handle these things independently. Though in the past, there could be some losses that you have faced, and but you will take that thing as an experience. You will learn from that thing, and definitely by the second week of August, you will start doing certain things which are going to make you more successful, more happy, more stable in your life. And it's not just your skill, it is your good and helpful attitude also, because you have helped a lot of people in your life. So that kind of karma, that good karma is with you, which is going to get paid in this month of July, and especially in the second week of July. So you will get this good opportunities, help from people, which is going to be very, very good for you, and you will be able to get back your confidence. The third week says Queen of Pentacles reversed, 5 of Swords reversed, and 3 of Swords. So here I'm seeing that someone, it could be in the work life only, or it could be your partner also. It could be your love life also, I don't know, but it is someone close to you who from whom you really, really need attention, from whom you really need time, but that person is not able to give you the full attention or time, or is not able to do full justice to the relationship. You might feel backstabbed also. You might feel that someone tricked you. You might have this feeling that whatever was yours is not yours anymore. It is getting distributed between two things. It could be one person also, it could be a situation also. So that kind of a feeling will be there in your third week of August. Moving towards your fourth week, that is the Eight of Swords, Knight of Swords reversed, and Eight of Wands reversed. So I think because of this third party situation, whatever it was there in the third week, this is going to continue in the fourth week also. You might feel very sad. It might be a little painful. You might feel everything has been shaken up. Things are so unstable in your life. You might also feel that it is very, very difficult to trust anyone. Whatever situation be, it's just going to make you feel worse and worse. But this card here at end, that is the Eight of Wands reverse. This is showing me that there could be some miscommunication also. So, and your energy is also Temperance reverse. So I believe that it could be that things are not that bad how you are perceiving them to be. So you have to be little open towards stuff. You have to be little open minded. Try to react to something that you are sure about. Not just don't have to just overthink about stuff and keep making stories in your mind and then feel sad and very, very disturbed about it. So just be little careful about this. So still, if you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. For the personalized reading, you can see the description box. We also do the daily readings. For that, you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given in the description box. All right, take care. Goodbye.